In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. This is where we'll access the charting platform. Once you're on the home page, look for the top navigation bar and click Products. Then select Supercharts. That will launch the full charting interface where we can use drawing tools. When the chart loads, you can choose any market or symbol using the search bar at the top if you need to. Now focus on the toolbar along the left side of the chart. Find the Drawing Tools group called Trend Line Tools. Click it to open the menu, and from the list, choose Horizontal Line. Your cursor will change, letting you place a line at a specific price. Move your cursor to the exact level you want to mark, then click once to drop the line. If you prefer a little more control, click and hold while you drag the cursor to position it, then release. After placing it, you can fine-tune the level by dragging the line up or down until it sits precisely on the price you care about. For greater accuracy, zoom in so the price scale is easier to read. If the line seems to snap to nearby candles, that's magnet mode. You can toggle it from the toolbar if you want freer placement. Horizontal lines are ideal for marking support and resistance, previous highs and lows, or important breakout levels. They don't move when you change time frames, so your level will stay consistent as you switch from, say, a 15-minute chart to a daily chart. If you place the line in the wrong spot, simply click it to select, then press Delete to remove it. You can always add it again in the correct location. Once your line is placed where you want it, you're essentially done. The line will remain on this chart layout, so consider saving your layout before you leave to make sure it's there next time you return. If you switch symbols within the same layout, the line stays part of your saved setup and can help you maintain consistent analysis. To quickly recap, head to TradingView, open Supercharts, go to the left toolbar, select Trend Line Tools, choose Horizontal Line, and place it at your desired price level. That's all it takes to add a clean, reliable reference point to your chart for clearer decision making. You're done.